In this video, I will show you guys how to install Tekken 6 on any Android device, including the best settings to utilize to get the best graphics and very good FPS when playing. This is going to be a complete guide, so make sure to follow all my steps in this video very carefully.
Round one. Fight.
Now simply start by opening your Play Store app and then search for PPSSPP. Now this is the emulator you are going to need in order to be able to play the game. So you can go ahead and download this normal version, or you can download this gold version. Now once you are done installing your PPSSPP emulator, go ahead and search for your Z archiver. Now with this Z archiver app, you'll be able to extract game and do some other stuff. So I'm going to be showing you that shortly. But now let me show you how to set up your PPSSPP emulator. So once installed, go ahead and open your emulator for the first time. Now once your emulator opens for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So all you have to do right now is just click on OK. Then it's going to bring you to your directory, so you can choose any folder. As for me, I like using the document section, so I'll click on document, then I'll click on use this folder, then I'll click on allow. Then all I have to do now is just click on OK, and it's going to open the PSP interface. So right now you can see that the interface is open, but there is no game in here to play. Now in order to have a game to play, you will need to extract a game to actually play. So that's where the Z archiver comes into play. Now simply open your Z archiver and then locate your PSP games. For this video, we're going to be actually playing Tekken 6. So locate your Tekken 6 PSP game file. So if I go to my download section, you see I already have the Tekken 6 game file in here. So all I have to do is just extract the ISO file, which is actually playable. So I'm going to tap on it, then I'll tap on extract here, and it's going to start extracting. But that's actually the long process. To actually make this much more faster, you see that there are 3 options of extract in here. So this third one that is extract, having ... click on the third option. This is actually the fastest way to do this. So once you click on this, all you have to do, just go back to your main directory and then go to your PSP folder, which is inside the document section. So once I go to document PSP, I will go to the game section of my PSP folder. So once I go in here, if you look below, you are going to see that there's actually a button in there. Now this button is actually the button that is going to extract the game directly into your PSP game folder. So once you click on it, you can see that it's actually extracting the ISO file right now inside my game folder. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. Alright, now you can see that it's done extracting and the ISO file is actually ready. So let's open our emulator one more time. So once we open the emulator is not going to show the game right now because the emulator do not even know where we are storing the game. So we have to show it where we are keeping our game file. To do that, simply click on browse that you can see at the top. Then once you click on browse, just go to your main directory and then show it where you are storing the games. As for me, my game is inside my PSP folder, so I'll click on document PSP game. This is where my game is, so I'm going to click on use this folder, allow, and right now you can see that my Tekken 6 game is fully ready to play. Now you are going to be needing some settings that are going to give you the best best graphics and best gameplay when you're actually playing this game, and I already have a dedicated video for that, so I'm going to be suggesting that video at the end of this video. So make sure to stick to the end so you can actually access that video, so you can get the best settings for your game. So let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Now if you're finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. I'm really going to appreciate if you actually do that. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.